Hi everybody, this is the ADR guys again. What we're going to do for you today is I'm going to make a Texas specialty, and it's a Tex-Mex meal, and it's called King Ranch chicken. So come on over here and let's get going. Okay, here's our main ingredients for today. I've got one whole chicken cooked and deboned, corn tortillas, a whole package. This is a can of diced tomatoes with green chilies and 1 can of cream of chicken soup. I've got 1 medium onion chopped, 1 medium green bell pepper chopped, 3 tablespoons of garlic, and I've got a bundle of fresh cilantro. What we have in here, preheated, I've got 4 tablespoons of butter. And before we begin, you want to boil your chicken and save your broth, your water and broth, because we'll have to soak our corn tortillas in it later. So just begin. You're going to throw your vegetables in the butter and you're going to saute those. We're going to saute those until they're soft and a little bit caramelized, so you want to turn your heat up to about medium, 5. And once it gets to sauteing, we can turn that down a little bit. Okay, they've been sauteing for a few minutes. They're getting nice and soft, and the onions, you can start seeing through them, so you know they're pretty good. So now you're going to take the chicken, and just stir that together. Okay, we've had this simmering together for a few minutes now. That way the flavors kind of get all infused. And it smells delicious. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take our tomato cream of chicken mixture. If you don't like cilantro, you don't have to use it. We happen to really like cilantro, and it goes well with a lot of different dishes. It gives it a really nice, light, fresh flavor to everything. That's why I kind of like to use it. So now just give that a stir, incorporate it, and let it simmer for a few minutes. Okay, I've let this cook together for about 15 minutes, and I took it off the heat and moved it over, and I brought my pot back over here that I cooked my chicken in, and I'm letting it heat up, because that's where we're going to dip our tortillas in and put them in the casserole dish. And I'm preheating my oven to 350 because we're going to do our layering here in a minute, so I'll show you that real quick. Okay, we're going to start assembling our casserole. So I've got everything laid out, and I've got 16 ounces of sharp cheddar cheese. So what you want to do first is you want to take about 5 or 6 corn tortillas and put them in your broth. I've already heated it up, so it's over here. And you need this to get them pliable, because we're going to do layers. Okay, we've got our first layer of corn tortillas in there. Now we're going to get our first layer of our chicken mixture. And you can be liberal or you can be stingy. It doesn't matter. Okay, now I'm going to put a layer of cheese. And now we're going to repeat the process. Okay, I'm going to put the cheese on the second layer. Most people stop with that and they put it in the oven. Okay, it's all built. Before you put it in the oven, what I like to do, and what you'll probably want to do, is take some of your chicken broth and ladle it in on here. That way everything stays nice and moist when you put it in the oven. Because corn tortillas, they'll soak up a lot of liquid, and if you don't put some extra in there, it'll come out really hard. So this is ready. We're going to put it in the oven that's been heated at 350. to let that bake for 30 minutes. Okay, well it baked for 30 minutes. So this is what we've got. You can see how the cheese is nicely melted and the tortillas are crisp on the edges. That's what I like. If you don't want that, don't. But I like to have that crisp up here. It's almost like a tostada. So we'll see how it tastes. Well, it's done, and I'm starving. So I've garnished mine off with some sour cream because that's what I like, and a little fresh cilantro. It makes it taste like an enchilada. So if you guys have like enchiladas, it's a perfect dinner. Well, it does with that sour cream. It tastes like one of the best chicken enchiladas you've ever gotten at a restaurant. Really light flavor, especially with the tomatoes and the cilantro. It's really good. Some crisp of the tortillas. So there you have it. A full meal in under an hour. Didn't cost much money, and it's really delicious. So get in the kitchen, try it out, feed your family, and y'all have a good time. Thank y'all very much.